The former leader of the Liberal Democrats in Scotland has described a legal challenge to the election of Alistair Carmichael as the MP for Orkney and Shetland as a political show trial. Shetland MSP Tavish Scott was giving evidence at a hearing of the election court in Edinburgh. Lisa Summers has been in court.
This entire case is about Alistair Carmichael's actions over a leaked memo about the First Minister Nicola Sturgeon towards the end of the general election campaign. At first he denied that he knew about this memo, but later he was forced to admit that he had authorised its leak. That was after the election result. Now today Tavish Scott was called to give evidence. He was called by lawyers on behalf of the Orkney residents that have brought this case to the election court, and he described it as a political show trial funded by nationalists. He said that he thought that lying was never a good idea, but he believed that Alistair Carmichael had made a political judgment in his role as Secretary of State for Scotland. Now, earlier in the day we heard from one of the petitioners, Fiona Graham. Now, she said that she was shocked when she learned that Alistair Carmichael had lied about the memo. She said that she trusted and respected him, and because she wasn't in full possession of the facts, she thought that it would affect the way people had voted in Orkney and Shetland and may well have influenced the outcome of the election there. Now, Alistair Carmichael was in court today. We expect to hear from him at some point over the next few days, but ultimately it's going to be up to the two judges here at this rare sitting of the election court to decide whether Mr Carmichael had broken any electoral law, and therefore whether it may call into question his re-election as the MP for Orkney and Shetland.
Lisa Summers there. A man has been seriously